You took a nanny with you on the tour, you said. And then were you breastfeeding and backstage and then running on stage? And...
Oh my God. Yes. I was breastfeeding up until 15 months. So he toured, until he was 15 months, and I would breastfeed him, go on stage, and then come off. And I don't know how graphic I would want to get on the airways, but let's just say it was an emergency. Like things build up and you need to release them, or else there's a mad, it's kind of like a fire hydrant. Let's just say that. I found that having a child imposed a schedule on me that was actually a bit helpful, because it wasn't just never-ending, undefined time. It was like, you have only this many hours, get it done. And so it's motivating in that way. But the hard thing is when they're napping, but you want to take a nap too.
Right.
And that's probably what you should do. But you kind of have to just accept. It's all about acceptance. Like, you're not going to get your work done. And just deal with it. Like, you cannot do it all. You can't do everything perfectly all the time.